partnering to partnering. We have a lot of folks that actually do a lot of partner to partner relations. How do you approach partner to partner relationships, and do you use third parties to, possibly help you deploy stuff, or how do you approach that?
Yeah, we're very open to partner stuff, and we invest a lot in that. We're involved with a lot of community groups, whether that's IMCP or we work with PAX8, and they have a lot of really good community stuff. And we're always looking for opportunities to have these sort of conversations. Let's get on a video chat with other partners. And what we found is that there's more than enough work for all the good partners in town. There's not a lack of work, so we don't have to be competitive. We don't have to be protecting our turf. More often, I'm going to learn something from you, or I'm going to find a way that we can collaborate. And in our industry, there's so many specialties. Like machine logic, we won't touch dynamics. We're just not interested in learning that. So I need somebody who can do that stuff. I don't have a SharePoint guy. I don't want to do SharePoint. We're not interested in that. I know some other partners who don't want to touch WVD, and so we found that it's really valuable to have some really competent partners you have a good relationship with. You can either subcontract in sometimes, other times you're just passing them work. A lot of times we just say, here, we're going to make the intro. You guys build a relationship with these people. Do this piece of the work. We'll do that piece. It's really valuable for different size leads. We're finding that smaller leads are hard for us to really provide value to. So we've got some smaller partners we're sharing work with, but they're sharing bigger work with us, and we're able to fill in gaps in their work. And the industry is changing so quick. You gotta know people. You gotta have resources, because you just can't do everything well. And so figure out what you do well, and then find partners to work with that help you fill in your gaps. And then just participate in the community. I can't tell you. Partner to partner is something we need to continue to push on as an industry, because we are starting to be identified as a security risk. MSPs, partners are, that our lack of security at times are endangering our customers. And if we don't get better at having intercompany, community-wide standards, and eventually start governing ourselves with some regulations, kind of like hey, this is our standard we're all going to agree to keep ourselves secure. The government's going to come in and bring those. And I think it's going to be so much better if we can get ahead of that and say, hey, this is the MSP standard for how we secure ourselves, how we take care of our customers. We can push on that and build that through some community groups. It's going to be a better situation. And I think it's going to really help some of the public perception we're having. We've had customers directly ask us, how are you going to not be the security risk to my company? I'm bringing you in, but you've got employees and tools. And if I give you access, all your employees have access. If I give you access, your tools have access. How can I trust you? Because I'm reading about the Secret Service putting out notices about MSPs being attacked, and so I'm nervous. So I think that's another partner-to-partner piece we need to continue to grow in.